Hello everyone, in this video I will like show you another cool feature in Excel. Here we call focus cell. When we click somewhere like this, we got focus like this. Sometimes you got different color, you can change it. I will show you how you can change it. So how you can get it? So this one feature is applied to Excel 365, the subscription one. But sometimes even you subscribe it, you don't get it. So how to get it? First go to File and Account, and then click inside the program and click Change Now or Join. If you haven't joined, click Join and Change Now. Here you need to select the beta channel. Okay, beta channel, and then OK. It will download the update for you. Okay. And if you join the beta channel already, if not working, click Update Now and close Microsoft Excel, and then you will get it. So how you can apply it or change color? So go to View. Right here you got Focus Cell. Okay, click it again, it will focus. And drop down here, you can change any color you want. You can change to this one. Okay. Okay. For example, I have loan table right here. I will show something like that. Very nice and interesting. So it happened to Excel 365 only. And for testing feature. Okay, hope you learned something from video. See you next time.